channel. This video we are going to see about the positives and negatives of being a housewife in USA. Many people from other countries think that people in USA are really enjoying the housewives are having so much fun here. They can take photos in front of Niagara Falls. They can have weekend dinner. They don't have to clean their house. So many things people think about them. They think that the people are really enjoying that they have no much work to do and so they have so much fun here. But the true picture is actually not like that. Many housewives in USA are really very much depressed here. There is a positive and also a negative side of being a housewife in USA. So I'm going to talk about those things here in this video. Okay friends, let's start the video.
Welcome to Let's Talk Nila.
I am going to talk about a positive as well as a negative simultaneously in this video. So you have to watch the video fully to get a clear understanding how a life will be in USA. So let's start with a positive vibe. The first positive which I see of living in USA is mainly for housewives is you are away from many of the family problems. Yes friends, our extended family is living in India and so when we are in USA, we are away from many of the family problems like mother-in-law, daughter-in-law problems, father-in-law problems, sister-in-law problems. Those kind of problems are very much less here. Because usually a husband, wife and children are living alone in USA, right? So mostly these kind of problems are very much reduced here. This is one of the main reason many women are feeling very happy here and they don't want to go back to India because they are so much worried if they go back they will again be involved in these kind of problems. And also the husbands here in USA help the wives very much here because the wife is here left alone to take care of all the household work by themselves. So the husband gives his lending hand to help his wife here in USA. So this is one kind of a very positive thing and also it improves the husband-wife relationship very much here. Especially when you have an argument between a husband and wife, most of the problems are solved by themselves. But other than that, if it is in India, many people will be involved in it and so there will be a lot of confusion and chaos going on. In this way, you encourage a lot of problems booming and even a simple tiny problem becomes a very big problem in our home country. But here in USA, since you are all living alone, you are left to solve by yourself all the problems. So in this way, there is a smooth relationship between a husband and wife. This is kind of a very positive thing I see in USA. But again, when talking about positive, there is also a negative thing, right? Since you are all left alone here, you miss your family very much. Yes friends, we miss all the wedding functions, all the parties and all the gala fun happening there in India. Whenever we see a photo popping up on Facebook regarding a family function or a marriage, we envy them so much. Oh my God, I'm not able to attend a family function there. I'm not able to dress up very well in my saris and jewels, especially for ladies, right? They love so much to dress up themselves for wedding function. We all ladies miss those fun being here in USA. Whenever we see a photo there, we envy them so much. Oh my God, why I'm not there? Why can't I just take a break for a single day, go attend the function and come back again to USA? So these kind of things we really miss here. Not only the good things, but also sometimes our father's surgery, our mother illness, even if your grandmother dies, you can't immediately fly to India. With having so many visa issues and stamping problems, people fear to fly immediately to India. So when something negative happens there in India, we feel very much that we are not able to present there and help our parents. So this is kind of a very bitter truth since we are living in USA. We have to really face this because we can't immediately fly to India and attend any kind of even good or bad functions. The other positive thing of being in USA is you get a lot of personal time for yourself. In India, we are so much busy with some work. Even if you are a housewife, a doby man comes, a visitor comes, a relative comes. So you're always busy with some kind of work in India. But here in USA, there are no visitors, right? After sending your husband and kids to office and school, you're all left alone to yourself. So you have a lot of personal time for you. You can do any kind of hobbies. You can even learn cooking. If you're not very well known of cooking, you can write your own blogs and you can even start your own YouTube channel. Many housewives here have own YouTube channels because they want to post their own creative things. Like I have even my own YouTube channel, right? I give parenting tips, weight loss tips for my fellow ladies. Many ladies start their own blog, start their own YouTube channel and they become women entrepreneurs, yes. But still, there is a drawback here. Yes, friends, even if you are so much talent and educated, you cannot work when you are on a H4 visa in USA. You are always dependent on your husband. So you cannot work in USA. That is one of a very big drawback for ladies here. Even if you have a lot of time to do so many things, but still if you want to go for a work in USA, you cannot do that. That is one kind of a very much drawback here in USA. Nowadays, slowly ladies are getting H4 visa EIDs, but still you have to be here at least 6 years to have that EID, or your husband should have a I-140 approved for that. So this kind of drawback is very much affecting the ladies here. They are so much depressed that they cannot go for a work and earn for themselves. They are not independent here, and so this is very much depressing for ladies. And also they have so much time to utilize here, but they don't know what to do in that time. Many ladies are left alone. They can't even talk to anyone outside even it is in winter, and so they are so much depressed here. My small tip to my fellow ladies and housewives here in USA is do something when you are free. Engage yourself in some kind of hobby. Do something which you like. Write a blog or write even a simple poem which you like. Read a book. Engage yourself in some kind of hobbies. This will keep you engaged and it will not drive you into depression. If not, you will be very, very lonely and idle, and this idleness will definitely drive you into depression. The other positive thing I see living here in USA is women and children are very, very safe here. The safety is of so much good here in USA that many ladies want to live here for a very long time. Nowadays, there are a lot of child abuses happening in India, and so parents are really worried to go back to India because of this reason. You can stay alone all by yourself in USA and no one will come and intrude you. You can even dress up however you like. No one will eve tease you. No one will stare at your short skirts. No one will stare at your sleeveless tops. No one is going to even look at you when you wear short modern dresses like this. But in India, we will be stared, we will be eve teased and even abused sometimes. So this kind of things will never happen here. You are very, very safe here. When you have an emergency situation, if you call 911, immediately the cops will arrive at your place to help. So this is kind of a very safe situation here, and even for children in school, it is very, very safe. No strangers are allowed inside the school, and even the school buses are very, very safe here. So this is kind of a very positive thing I see here in USA, and that's why many ladies and children like to be here in USA. The negative thing of this is sometimes when you are being abused by your own family, no one will ever know this. Yes, friends, if it is in India, if there is a small fight happening inside your home, many neighbors will come and surround you. They will come and support you and they will come to help you. But if it is in USA, many people are unknown strangers for you. And so if there is something big happening in your house, no one will come and ask you or interfere in that problem. So this is kind of some kind of negative for some ladies. I don't say many ladies are being abused like this because most of the families are very happy here, but still there is a small percentage of ladies who are being abused by their own family members, and many even doesn't know about this. So this is one kind of a negative thing I see here in living in USA, because you're all left alone and there will be no one to support you in terms of danger. The other positive thing I see here is women can live independent here in USA. If you have a job and if you have a car, you can live very well independently here. No one is going to question you why you are not getting married, why you are not having children. And so the women feel so confident and independent living here. Many ladies leave their families there and work here alone, and still they are safe because this country is very, very safe for ladies. So this is kind of a very good positive thing I see here in USA. But again, if you are a person who is so much dependent on your husband and who doesn't know car driving, then this is kind of a very big drawback for housewives here in USA, because many ladies doesn't know car driving or doesn't have an alternate car to drive to stores. So even for buying a green chili, you need to have a car, because in suburbs, mostly places here are commuted by cars only. You can just go walking and shop for a green chili or a grocery. So you have to definitely have a car to commute to these places. So this is a very big drawback here in USA, especially in winters. You can't even go outside and go for a shopping. Even if the store is next to your street, you can't walk and go because it will be very, very cold in winter here. So this is a very big drawback for ladies here, because they can't go shopping. They have to wait till the husband comes to home, until they have to stay inside the home and they have to wait for the husband. They are so much left alone that even if they are sick, they can't immediately go to a doctor by themselves. They have to wait until the husband comes and then the husband takes in car to the doctor. So, but if you have some friends in nearby, they will help you. But unless and until you have a friend or neighbor very good nearby, you will not have any help from anyone else. So, even if you are sick, you have to take care of yourself. And even if your kids are sick, you have to wait until your husband comes. So, this car driving is kind of a very big drawback here. But if you learn car driving and if you have a car on your own, then life is very, very smooth here. You can drive to any place you want. You are very, very safe. You can even drive at midnight time. No one is going to come and harass you. So this is kind of a very safe here. But still you have to learn car driving and you have to have an alternate car, which is not at all possible in the initial years of your stay. Because when you are first coming to USA, the place will be very new to you and everyone will be strangers for you. At this time, the ladies face so much hurdles and problems at this time. So this is kind of a very negative thing in USA. Initially, the first few years before you settle down, it will be very difficult for you. But after few years, slowly when you learn your car driving and when you have an own car for yourself, then life becomes smooth here. Okay friends, how do you feel after hearing this video? Life is still tough, right? Whether you are in India or in USA, life is always tough. We have to face the challenges and overcome the challenges if you want your life to become smooth. I think this video will be very useful for ladies who are thinking to come to USA. Life is really good here with husband and children, but still you have to learn the art of utilizing your free time. If you know that, then life will become very, very wonderful in USA. Okay friends, if you feel the video useful, share to your friends too, and do not forget to subscribe our channel because I will be posting more useful videos on weight loss, parenting and motivation. Okay friends, bye.